Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is my presentation about study lab. This is my members group name. Abdul Majid bin Muharram 13DE20F 1007. Muhammad Afiq Ashraf bin Zulkifli 13DE20F 1079. Muhammad Ali Hafizi bin Bakri 13DE20F 1059. And lastly, Mukhtar Razik bin Abdul Aziz 13 DE 20F 1075. Introduction for study lamp. Study lamp is small, easy to bring, and can save the money. The items used to make the study lamp are wires, battery, LED light, switch, nets, charging port, and PVC pipes. This is step to making study lamps. Cut the bottle according to the following line. After that, the bottle will be 3 parts. After the bottle is cut into 3 parts, glue the top of the bottle using a hot glue gun. And then, bottle will be connected like this. Next step is punch a hole in the bottle that has been sealed, and insert the PVC pipe into the hole. Then, insert the LED lamp into the bottle. Next, make a switch base using the rest of the bottle and insert the switch into the base. The last step is insert the charging place and the battery into the bottle. Then connect the battery to the LED light wire. Lastly, connect the plug with the charging place and the study lamp is ready to use.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now I will explain about the characteristic of our study lamp. First of all, our characteristic is cheaper. Our study lamp is more cheaper than other study lamp because our item is a low cost item and it's easy to get it. Next, our characteristic is environment friendly. Our study lamp is environment friendly because we can use a recycled item to make a study lamp. As example, we can use a mineral water and we can use a unused PVC pipe to make our study lamp. So next is easy to use. Our study lamp is easy to use because we are using a direct current from a supply so that we can use it anytime, anywhere, easily, and don't worry about the supply for study lamp. After that, it is portable. Our study lamp is portable because the size is small and compact so that we can bring it everywhere easily and don't worry about the study lamp is broken. Last but not least, beautiful design. Our study lamp have a beautiful design because we use a recycled item and the design is simple so that we don't have to think so much to create this study lamp, but it is still elegant.
Assalamualaikum and hello to sir and friend. Today I want to talk about function of study lamp. Okay, next. This study lamp is practical study lamp that you can use as additional lighting while you are studying or writing. In addition, this light can also be used as an emergency light. Okay, first point, save electricity. With study lamp, there is no need to use floor light because it can save electricity. The use of floor lamp is higher voltage than the use of study lamp. Okay, next point. Can use according to convenience. This lamp is comfortable because the light on this lamp can use illuminate at night. In addition, this lamp can store items such as stationery and other. In addition, this lamp can also be carried anywhere and easy to use. Okay, next point. Can facilitate the work. If we are outside the house area, we can use this lamp as a light source because this lamp use battery. For example, during work at night. Okay, next. Can maintain ourselves. The function of this lamp, as well as studying in the dark, can cause damage to the eyes. For example, myopia. Many students experience myopia, commonly farsighted. When a student suffers from farsightedness, difficulty focusing in class will occur and students' performance is like to decline. Okay, last point can be used anytime. One of the main advantages of table lamp is having a soft light that is directed to only at a specific area of the bed, which make it less invasive. This way, in someone need to get up at night and turn on the light to get something for the bedroom nightstand, they will not wake up anyone. This is great for when the two members of a couple have different schedule because this table light provides enough light for one person to get up or go to bed comfortably without having to illuminate the entire room, which would disturb the sleep of the other person. Okay, thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now I will explain about the features of our study lamp. The first feature is energy saving. The light source uses high power LED which have low energy consumption and high efficiency. For example, power is 3 watt or 4 watt. Next, environmental protection. No pollution, UV, IR, and thermal radiation. After that, health and eye care. Low voltage, fixed current power supply, no stroboscopic, no glare, wide irradiation area, uniform brightness, good visual effect. It is a very ideal light source with with soft, stable, continuous light and close to natural light. Next feature about study lamp is long lasting. LED lamp life
up to 5,000 hours. Metal structure, strong and durable metal texture. Last feature is adequate lighting. In a situation of 350 to 400 millimeter from the tabletop. The tabletop lighting can reach above 500 LS.